Hi friend, in this video I will teach you how to download and install Audacity on your Windows. First you can open your any browser and click to search Audacity download. Now I search Audacity download, you can see the first website, click to open and now you can select your device. I select Windows. Now you can select the your Windows bit. I select the 64-bit installer. Now click on download.x. Wait for response and click on start download. Wait for download is completed. Now download is completed. Click to open file and now file is opening. Please wait, the setup is loading and click to yes. Now click on OK. Select your language and click on OK. Now you can type next and select your file name and click on next. Click on install. Wait for installing is complete. The installing is completed. Click to finish and wait for Audacity is loading. Now you can see the Audacity is open. Now you see the Audacity page here. Now click on file and click to import button and select your audio in your folder. Now I select my audio file and click to open, and you can select your all audio file with Ctrl+A. Now I select my all audio file and now click on effects and you can see the volume and compression and click on normalize. Your voice is now normalized. Click on bass and treble and click on apply. Now you see your voice is very good and click to export button file and export audio and select your file name which you can save this audio file and click on export. Now your file is exported, done.